Andrea Brillante's post cryptic message after ex-boyfriend Richie Rivera confirmed relationship with Leren May Bautista. Wala pang pahayag si Andrea Brillantes tungkol sa pagsasapubliko ng ex-boyfriend na si Richie Rivera sa relasyon nito sa dating beauty queen at Los Baños, Laguna councilor na si Leren May Bautista. Sa kanyang Instagram kahapon, October 22, 2023, ibinahagi ni Andrea ang mga larawang kuha mula sa kanyang latest na biyahe tapings at get-together kasama ang mga kaibigan. Sabi niya sa caption, Life is good, life is great. Ibinahagi rin niya ito sa kanyang Instagram story. Ngunit kapansin-pansin ang inilipat niyang mga linya dito na hango sa kanta ng Colombian-American singer-songwriter na si Kali Uchis na Hasta Cuando. Mababasa rito, whatever makes you feel better, paint me as the villain if that makes you feel better. Make everyone hate me if that makes you feel better. Whatever makes you feel better. Your girls talk me just to feel better. About the fact that you're still obsessed with me years later. Kinumpirma ng basketball player-aktor na si Richie na break na sila ni Andrea noong June 9, 2023. Walang inagaw, inamin ni Richie ang relasyon nila ni Leren noong Sabado, October 21, 2023, halos 4 na buwan matapos niyang kumpirmahing break na sila ni Andrea. Tinawag ni Richie na real queen at the right one ang beauty queen. Pinabulaanan din niyang nang agaw ang girlfriend. Sinigundahan naman ito ni Leren sa kanyang pagkipagbardagulan sa bashers. Sabi niya sa isang basher, girl, never in my life that I'll do such thing. This is so simple. We already explained ourselves and told the truth. Now if you still wanna push your version of the story, then don't ask us anymore. You can answer your questions and get the answer you want. Nakakapagod sabihin ang totoo dahil pilit pa rin ng tulad mong baliin ang katotohanan. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more showbiz updates. Bye!